Now, let's take a quick look at quotes and products. Quotes are great for sending a cost estimate to a customer before they commit, and you can convert quotes directly into an invoice once they accept. In the top navigation, click Sales, and then click Quotes. Click New Quote in the top right, and you'll notice that the fields here look very similar to the ones on the invoice. Fill in your contact, make changes to your issue date if you need to, add an expiration date, and add your items. Once you've reviewed it and made any necessary changes, click Send. Here you'll be prompted to create a subject and message. You can review these like we've done with the invoice, and then you can send it. To view your quotes, click Sales and then Quotes. The quote we just sent will be in the Sent tab here, and for this tutorial, I can accept the sent quote on my customer's behalf so that we can move it to the accepted pipeline. To do so, check the quote we want to move, and then Accept. That will move that quote to this tab here. And finally, when you're ready to bill them, you can take this accepted quote, and then you can use it to create an invoice. I'll mark this as invoiced, and click Create. All the details carry over automatically, and I'll save and close this. From our Invoices page, we can see this invoice is under Drafts, and we can see that it references the quote that it originally started as.